Let's make some shrimp tacos, Baja style. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
When we talk about Baja style, we're talking about a particular Mexican cuisine, which is found in the northwestern peninsula of Mexico. It is a stretch of land that separates the Gulf of California and the Pacific Ocean. So you know that seafood plays a major role in their cuisine. Okay, today we'll be using Maseca corn flour. This is a very popular brand to use for corn tortillas. And not only can you do tortillas, but you can do tamales, pupusas, empanadas, sopes, all types of stuff. Okay, so in a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of that Maseca corn flour. Now I'm only doing a few tortillas, but you can definitely double, triple this recipe depending on your family size, party size, whatever. To that, I'm adding a ½ teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick stir. Then I'm adding lard. I'm using the Morel Snowcap Manteca, and this is just going to give our tortillas that pork flavor, which I love, but you can substitute olive oil if you want to. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon. I'm going to mix that lard into the flour just so that there's no big pieces and the flour is a little crumbly. Then I'm adding 3/4 cup of warm water. We need to hydrate the dough. And what I like to do is I like to add a half first, see where I'm at, and then keep adding. With tortilla dough, you definitely want to measure by feel of how the dough looks and feels, not necessarily by the measured ingredients, because I've had measured out perfectly at times and then it still didn't come together. But then I added a little bit more water or a little bit more flour until I got the result that I needed. It's starting to come together. Add a little bit more water. Okay, what I like to do is a little piece and roll it into a ball and then press down on it. And if there's cracks along the sides, then I know that my dough is too dry. But because I press down and there's no cracks, I know that this is the consistency that I want my tortilla. So we'll keep this in the bowl, cover with a damp towel for about 15 to 30 minutes until we're ready to roll. Okay, so here we have our tortilla dough. And I'm just going to roll it into a log so that I can portion it out. Okay, so I have a real hot cast iron pan and I'm just going to lay my tortilla, wait till it has some color on the bottom and then flip it over. Baja shrimp or fish tacos are traditionally served with a cabbage slaw. So we're going to do that with a honey lime dressing. Okay, so in a bowl, I have some shredded cabbage, thinly sliced. And I'm just going to add some greenery, some scallions. And just today, I'm going to use just the green parts. Add that to the cabbage. And I also have some cilantro leaves that I'm just going to rough chop. It doesn't have to be finely minced. Add that to the cabbage. Okay, then I made a honey lime dressing. Basically just freshly squeezed lime juice, honey, a little bit of cumin, salt, pepper, olive oil, blend it up. Add it to our coleslaw mix. Give a little taste. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to make a chipotle crema just to drizzle over our tacos. So inside this blender cup, I'm going to add some Mexican crema. You can now find these pretty much anywhere. I'm doing about a ½ cup. Then I'm going to do some mayonnaise. I've been using the Dukes lately since I'm in the South. It's pretty good. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mayo. I'm going to add some chipotle peppers. Chipotle peppers are basically jalapenos that have been smoked. It has this rich adobo sauce with it. Now I want this kind of spicy, so I'm going to use 2 chipotle peppers. I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro, about a ½ teaspoon of salt, a little bit of cracked black pepper. Place the top, blend it up. When you talk about fish tacos, shrimp tacos, traditionally it's fried, so that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so now it's time for the shrimp. I have here some 1620 peeled and deveined shrimp. 1620 just means that for every pound, there should be 16 to 20 pieces of shrimp. And so now the shrimp is seasoned. Now let's start on our beer batter. So we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and we're going to use those same ingredients that we use for the shrimp. Then we're going to add beer. I like to use a lager, and we're going to add the same exact amount of flour that we put in. We're going to add the beer, and I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of that adobo sauce from the chipotle. Now we're just going to mix that all up. The batter consistency should be that of a pancake batter or waffle batter. And if you feel like it's too thick, you can always add a little bit more of the beer just to thin it out. And if it's too thin, you can always add a little bit more flour. Okay, I like the consistency that I have here. And so we're ready to fry our shrimp. I'm dipping the shrimp into that beer batter mixture and slowly adding it to our hot oil. And lay it down, and then continue with the shrimp. Okay, so I have my tortilla warmer here and these beautiful corn tortillas. One thing about a tortilla warmer is that it keeps the tortilla nice and warm so that it stays nice and pliable. So we're gonna take 2 tortillas here, that cabbage, that slaw. Just for color and texture, I like to add some sliced avocado. Then I'm gonna take some piece of those shrimp, and we're gonna hit it with the chipotle crema, just like that. And then some fresh cilantro leaves on top, just for color. And there you have it, Baja Shrimp Taco. Oh my.